I'm cooking vegan tonight because it's good for me and it's good for the planet, and I'm doing it in a beautiful cabin, the Foxhole Cabin at Matagamon Camps, and you know what? Life is good. I'm cooking some rice and quinoa mixture that I'm boiling on the stove. We've got some vegan bread. We're gonna chop up a bunch of vegetables to go in it. Nice portobello mushroom, it's gonna taste great in that quinoa. Garlic, mushrooms, peppers, onions, and French picnic salt, the best thing on earth. Herbs de Provence. I get the French picnic salt from the farm and table in Cape Porpoise, Maine.
My dad and I spent about $10 each at the grocery store to get all this stuff, but we'll get a few meals out of it.
Delicious, nutritious, and good for you. Definitely creates a good night's sleep. And I'm having a vegan beer. Life is good.
Vegan, not vegan. Cooking, no cooking. Life is good.
If you want a chicken sandwich like Steve, feel free to get it at the Maine Lodge for $8.50. But tonight, we're eating vegan.
It is good.
He's not lying. It's pretty damn good.
So in the past few years, they've installed some electric light bulbs, but if you really want to be old school, they still have the gas lanterns. And more or less, you push in here, turn it up, and you light it with a match, and hopefully it doesn't go boom. There we go. You never know. Patience is a virtue when it comes to working with gas. To watch the full episode of Dirt Cheap with Chaz Bruns, click the link below.